This guide will walk you through the process of uploading an SBOM or a lock file to improve your scan's findings in the application. Click on the New Scan button. Select the option to scan either an Android app or an iOS app. Supported formats are APK, Android Bundle and IPA. Drag and drop the application file onto the designated area. Proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Drag and drop the SBOM or lock file onto the designated area. Proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Select your scan profile. Select Fast Scan for SAST-only checks. Submit the scan by clicking on the Submit button. Fast take less than an hour on average to complete. You should be able to access the scan from the Scans menu. To generate a Gradle lock file, update your Gradle build file to lock all configurations, and then running the Gradle dependencies command. For Flutter, use the existing Pubspec file or generate one. You can also generate an SBOM for Android, iOS, and Flutter using a tool called Sift. This guide covered the steps to upload an SBOM or a lock file to improve your scan's findings in the application.